I'm on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tashina Beauty. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I don't know if you know, girl, but I bring affordable hair, makeup, pretty much everything, girl, on a budget. And if you're oldie but a goodie, thank you for rocking with me. Let's jump right into this video. Now the unit on my head is by Vivica Fox collection, and it is in the style Cd-Essent, and I have her in the color 1B, and it's their CAPDO Instant Celebrity Style Wig. Stock card looks like this. Okay, this wig, let's see, they have like a bunch of other colors. Like, I've been trying to get this unit for a while, and I paid more than I wanted to pay for her because everywhere I wanted to buy her from didn't have them in stock. So I paid a little bit more off of Amazon. That's how much I wanted this wig. Now everywhere else it has like the braided one, the short bob. I saw like now they have the like jeans cap looking ones with the short bob and stuff, and I want to try those too. And my next one that I wanted to try is actually the braided units. Now the braided one, there's only one braided one, like the jumbo braids. Now there's a lot of reasons why I wanted this wig. Okay, let's start with construction though. So construction of the cap is, of the wig cap, what do you want to call it, it's basically a wig sewed all in the inner lining of this wig, kind of like you put on your synthetic wig, throw a cap on, that's it. But instead they like bring it all the way up and sewed it in. And if you want to adjust the wig, I think it's just basically by the cap adjuster in the back, like when you wear your regular, we call these hats here bucket hats, I guess that's what they're called, baseball hats, I guess. Yeah, so this is normally my go-to style. Let me tell you, when I can't be bothered to make a wig look good, I throw on any wig, half wig, full wig, any wig, and then throw on a hat. And this is me. And this is why I was excited when I saw this wig. I was on Instagram strolling, I saw it, I was like, oh, you best believe I'll be getting her. Cause this is gonna be me to the supermarket, me going out for like dinner and a movie. This is me going to my friend's house with the kids. This is me. Hat and a wig combo that I like. I don't gotta do nothing to my hair more than throw on I don't even have to wear a wig cap if I don't want to, cause you ain't gonna see nothing. You know how many times I'm going to the nail salon and I'm like, girl, I don't want to go up in this people place looking all ratchet. Cause you know we all go there looking ratchet. You know, Ling Ling who does your nails. No, that is so bad. Don't, please. That's so bad. But anyways, all the ladies who do your nails, they're like, look, know you in your worst because you'll be looking your craziest. And this, come on, man, like, definitely my go-to style. Let me show you what this wig look like from all different angles. So let me put all the hair to the front. This is all the hair to the front, and this hair, I'm telling you, I think it's about 22-24 inches because she quite long. Let me show you what she looks like from the left side. Let me show you what she looks like from the right side. And this is all the hair to the back. Things about this unit. I did receive shedding. And that's a given because it is a synthetic hair unit. It is gonna shed. It does feel plasticky. Again, it's a synthetic unit. It will shed Does this say if it's heat safe? Let me check. I don't. It does say that he is for curl and set electric iron between 356 to 392 Fahrenheit. Don't do it, girl. Don't do it. I wouldn't suggest you doing that. Like, I'm not doing it. You wanna do it, you can go right ahead and do it. Yeah, I don't really, this wig I don't gotta say much about her. A lot of people have been raving about this unit, and at first I was kind of like skeptical, because I was like, I don't know if it will do what I want it to do, you know what I mean? Like, because even though it's sewed underneath, the problems that I do have is that the hat is crinkly. Let's be honest, it's kind of crinkly, and I'll be trying to get the crinkles out because I'm a stickler for stuff like that. I don't like how it looked bulged up on at the top right there, but it's okay. Another thing that I had a problem with was, like, it's standard black, so it looks good, but like, I wish it came in other colors too. Like, if it had like a white one, or like, you know what I mean, multicolored ones. I wish it kind of came in like variety of colors that we could choose from, not just black. But then again, you can always get like bedazzles and rhinestones and make it look a lot better. And I mean, if you want to tie-dye the top here, get some beach water spray, make it look real cool, real fancy, but then you will mess the hat up, and then you're stuck with that one. So I don't know if that's something you want to do either. But as to me, I like her. I think she's nice. I will be purchasing the other ones. As I said before, they only had 3. They had this straight one, they had the braided one, and they had it kind of like a body wave textured one. But now that I see they came out with like the jeans cap color wig, and it had like a short bob one that right here, like the tapered bob, that I thought was really cute. I don't remember seeing what the other ones were, but I know that they're quite interesting, so I will be trying some other one. But the main one I want is that braided one. Like, I want to see that braided one for my personal use. I don't know if I'm going to review that one, so if you guys want me to, when I purchase that one for myself, if you want me to review that one also, because I saw it on a couple other YouTubers and I was like, ooh, that's really nice. But I think I'm gonna stick with a 1B, because though I like color and all that fun stuff, normally when I go out, I reach for a 1B. I just feel like I play it safe. I don't know why. I just feel like a couple times I've gone out with gray wigs on and other stuff, and I get compliments from people like, oh girl, that's cute and all. But then I feel kind of like out of place, because I know they're looking at me like, look at this, walking around with this goddamn bright colored extra hair. So I don't be chancing it sometimes, but I like my blondes and I like all that, so I'll be getting that in a 1B. Now, if you guys want me to review any other hair, please leave it down in the comment section down below. Do not forget to check the description box so you can find out where to purchase this hair. I will leave a link to a couple companies where you can get it and where exactly I got mine from. I think that's about it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's Tashina_Beauty. I have a Facebook page. It's Tashina Beauty 22 if you want to search for me there. Leave me a comment down in the comment section down below if you guys have any questions and concerns, or you just want to say hi. Leave that down there too. Hit the like button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, because I'll be uploading twice a week. Last week I didn't upload twice a week. Don't be coming at me. I know I messed up, but your girl is coming back twice a week. That was one time, girl. I had a slip up. It was finals week, so you don't want me to fail school, do you? No, you don't. Anyways, I think that's about it, guys. Until next time, yeah, basically it. Until next time, it's your girl Tashina Beauty.